What are Instapods? Okay, Instapods. Nothing fancy. Sounds a little odd if you don't know what it is, but you will after this. And then you're going to be looking for them. Instapods are groups of people. Usually they start with at least 5 people. That's a small one. And they can go up. Some go into the hundreds, but that's a hard one to manage. So before you start freaking and going to look for the big ones, let's see what they are. It's going to be a group of people with a similar niche on Instagram. So say I go out and I find 5, 10, 20 other people that are in my niche. We set up either a forum thread, we may set up a private forum, a Facebook group, a Skype chat, Google Hangouts chat. We all want to be connected. And what we're going to do is each time I post a new Instagram picture, I'm going to take the link and I'm going to put it in the forum, the chat, wherever it is we're gathering. And all the other people in the group are supposed to click on that link, go over, and whatever the agreement is, maybe everyone comments, maybe everyone likes it, maybe everyone comments, likes, and shares through their Twitter. There's a huge variety of ways you can do this. I work with a group of women and we have a system. We try to go and like or comment, and we try to tweet. We have certain tools set up that make it much easier for us, but that way we know our image is going to get some likes, going to get some shares, going to get a little attention to get the ball rolling. Now, when you get in a big group, the problem comes if you have over 10 or 20 people. It's very hard to keep track of who is actually participating, because the problem you're going to run into with these, and you need to be aware, a lot of people don't do their part. These can be very much give, give, give. And by that I mean these people, some of them will come into the group, they will post their image links every time they share an Instagram picture. What they don't do is go and give likes and shares and comments on other people's. They want you to give. They don't reciprocate. So if you're going to set one of these up or join one, you want to make mental note of who is participating, going both ways, and who is just taking. Because if you have a lot of people in your group and all they ever do is post their links and they don't participate on the other end, pretty much a fail and useless. All you're doing is working your ass off for them to get things they want, and you're not getting anything back. So an Instapod, they can be great. Just make sure anybody that's not reciprocating, kick them out. There's nothing wrong with kicking people out for not participating. Make a set of rules. Some Instapods have extremely big, long, lengthy sets of rules. Others just have simple rules, and it depends on how well you know the other people, how much you trust them, and how willing you are to just kick their butt out if they're not participating. So you can find Instapods all over. You can probably Google it. I haven't Googled it for a while. I know Facebook has a boatload of them. Lots of them are private for the very reason they don't let just anyone in. So you may want to think about making your own, find your people, and get it going. So there you go. Instapods can be a very useful tool. Just make sure if you belong to one, you're doing your part, that you're not the sucker that is wasting everybody's time and not giving of yourself.